Hello, my name is Danekia Smith. I am a licensed realtor serving the greater New Orleans area. I wanted to take some time today to talk to you about going out and viewing open houses. You may see a lot of realtors online or even as you're driving around your community with open house signs up. I highly recommend for you to visit these open houses, especially if they're in areas that you desire to live. Open houses allows for you to go inside of a property, view it, get a feel for it, also even get some light refreshments and possibly meet your new realtor that will represent you in purchasing that home or even another. Now, are you required to work with a realtor that is on site at an open house? Absolutely not. You're not required. And also, if you already have a realtor that you're working with, you actually need to inform that realtor as you're viewing that property, hey, I already have a buyer-broker agreement. I've selected my realtor. I just noticed this home as I was out and about today, or I noticed this advertisement for the home online and I wanted to stop by and get a good feel for the home. Any licensed and educated realtor will let you know it is perfectly fine to go and tour and view the home even if you have a selected realtor already. With a lot of the changes that have taken place in our industry, now requiring for you to have a buyer-broker agreement signed before touring a home, understand that requirement is only in place when you have selected and hired your realtor already. You do not have to have this signed to go and view the open houses that you may see in your community. Again, I invite you to visit these homes, visit the open houses. A lot of times you're able to get actual feedback on the community from the agent there on site. And most importantly, you're able to provide feedback. As a realtor, I am always asking for feedback, whether this is my client or someone stopping by the open house event. Let me know the things that you like. Let me know the things that you don't like. Why? Because that helps me to be better prepared when I am positioning and listing and showcasing these properties. I want to make sure that I'm doing it in the best light, and I want to make sure that I'm attracting the ideal buyer for that property. So get out, tour the community, see what's available. Even if you're not in the market to buy or even sell, you can see what is happening in your area. And when that time comes, you'll be ready, and most importantly, you will be informed. Thank you for tuning in today. And as always, if you got value, please be sure to like, comment, share this with anyone that you feel may need this information. Thank you and take care. Bye.